Thutha wa maundu matiganite kwiyumiria hindi ya mathako ma drama cia thukuru cia secondary kwiyumiria kaunti-ini ya Nakuru, ari hamwe na arutwo kwaga guthaka mithako yao iria mahaririirie. Mithako eno muthia ni tafanitio thingira-ini munini wa iregi kaunti-ini ya Nakuru, kuria thukuru wa airitu wa Kisumu uregwatiire Uhotani. Gikundi kia arutwo aria mararũgamagĩrĩra thukuru uyu wa Kisumu mithakoini ino maracũngĩrĩirio kwĩrũgamĩrĩra mithakoini ino, kuona mĩhĩnga ngũrani nĩ ireyumĩririe hindi ya kuonania ndaci yao, kuona nĩ iraregetwo.
We took position 1, they took position 2. At the county, they were position 1, we were position 2. At the region, we were position 3 after Ogande and St. Teresa's. And this one was actually a request. I requested the principal to allow us to take the team to Nakuru at the school's expense, and we felt that it was worth, especially the cultural creative dance. The solo of us was position 2, and we put everything.
Arutwo aya ni maregwatĩire kanya ga gucemania na mutongoria wa bũrũri William Ruto niguo kumuthakĩra ndaci ĩno, kanya karia kaheagwo aria megwatĩra Uhotani gikiro-ini gia gĩbũrũri.
We started from the sub-county and the journey was not easy, but we managed to reach the state concert, and yesterday we even had a chance to speak to the President of the Republic of Kenya. Performing in the 63rd Drama and Film Festival was not easy, but we thank God for the far that He's brought us, and we're really proud for the support that our parents gave us, the support that our teachers gave us, and the far that you've brought us.
Arutwo aya ni mararemirwo kuhitha gikeno kiao makihundukana mucii kuria marainaga nyimbo cia Uhotani. Arutani nao magitugiria arutwo aya ni kwirutira kwao, makiuga ni marahotire kuhurana na mihinga iria maratunganaga nayo.
We want to thank our patron, Madam Florence Owino, together with the team, Madam Emelda, for this great victory. We don't take it for granted. It is not easy to become #1 at the national festival for a cultural dance and for the soul of us.
Giribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Nduta wa Buthia.